In this video, I'm going to show you how to give customers credit in QuickBooks Online. So to do this, you first must issue a credit memo for the amount they are owed, okay? So to do this, you have to, of course, create a credit memo. You want to go to the plus button, create over here on the left, and then from here, you want to create a credit memo. Now, to do this, under customers, you can see it says credit memo. You want to click on it over here, and then what you want to do, you want to select the customer's name here in the drop down. So select it. I'm going to go with Cool Cars over here, and then of course you can put in their email, billing address, stuff like that. And then what you want to do is enter the items, rates, and then amounts for the credit, mirroring the original transaction if that's applicable. Okay, so I'm just going to do something simple over here. I'm going to do some design like this, then I'm going to go with some concrete. I'm also going to go with a pump over here, and then a rock fountain. And of course you can do as many things as you want. I'm just going to do a few of these just for this example. Okay, so let's say that's now done. Now whenever you do this, you must save and close down here at the bottom. Of course, you can see like the total, stuff like that. Click on here and click on save and close. So that's the first thing you have to do, and now the first part is done. You then want to go and apply the credit. So if you want to apply the credit to an outstanding invoice rather than leaving it as an account balance, you want to go to plus new top left, and then you want to go to receive payment. Now you want to select the same customer's name. We have Cool Cars over here, and as you can see, it says that right now they don't have any payments with the invoice to go with it, but if they did, then I could be, of course, selecting this credits over here. So it says credits, and then I have this credit memo over here, and then of course if I had an invoice over here, I'd be able to basically use this credit for that invoice. So that's essentially how I would do that, and then click on the record, or of course record and close over here, and that's essentially how you do this. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.